Hi, I'm Tracy Falbe, real estate agent with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, Michigan Real Estate, and I'm based in Battle Creek. Today's video is an open house preview for 950 Capitol Avenue Southwest in Battle Creek. It's listed by Rachel Cunningham, and the open house will be January 11th, Sunday, 1 to 2:30. So hopefully if you're shopping for a home in Battle Creek, you can come by and take a look at this one. As you can see, it's a beautiful brick home. It is listed at $325,000. It's 3 bedrooms, 1.5 baths, and it's Lakeview School District. So let's start the video going here. It's a nice corner lot. It's fairly roomy front yard, and there's a nice backyard as well. This is the circular driveway that you access from the side street, George B. Place. So that makes it easy to get in and out. And I'm walking down the driveway here, so you can see that Goguac Lake is very nearby. The home is not waterfront, but it does have a slight water view from a few spots on the lot. And that street does go down to a park, so you would be very easily be able to take a walk by the water whenever you wanted. 2-car garage. All right, let's go back around front. A great feature about this house is that it has a Generac generator. Those are wonderful. When the power grid goes down, the Generac turns on and powers your house, and you get to continue living in modern times until the grid comes back on. Now, the front of this house has great charm and character. Once again, it was built in the 20s. I love these stone block details around that door, and of course the arch door itself. Okay, if you'll indulge my obsession with the front door for a couple more seconds, let's look at this close-up. It's solid wood, arch on the top, eagle door knocker. I love the wrought iron details, so just a really cool detail on the house, and it opens into a little vestibule. The home has a nice front living room. I love the peaked archway detail on the door. Nice hardwood floors, a nice fireplace, textured plaster ceiling. And let's take in these look like original hardwood floors in here. Nice and warm and gorgeous. This is on the main floor as well. This could be a bedroom or it could be home office. And there is a nice wooden stairway going upstairs. All right, as I said, if you want to see the house, look for the listing photos or come to the open house January 11th, this Sunday, 1 to 2:30 p.m. An interesting feature about this house is you go through the kitchen into the garage, and then there's a very private den that you access through the garage. So if you've ever wanted a little hidey place where you can block out the noise of the rest of the family, this is it. And it has nice French doors opening onto a patio and the nice roomy backyard. So it's a great feature of the house. So this is not a bedroom. This is an extra den on the back of the house. And there's 2-car garage and a workshop attached to that as well. All right, so I hope to see you at the open house this Sunday. If you can't make it, be sure and look up the listing photos online. The home is listed by Rachel Cunningham, 950 Capitol Avenue Southwest in Battle Creek. 3 bedroom, 1.5 bath, $325,000. And there's an extra private den included and very close to Goguac Lake. So thanks for watching. As I said, I'm Tracy Falbe, a real estate agent with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, Michigan Real Estate. You can give me a call anytime at 269-967-6589, or you can send me a text. I'd love to talk about real estate with you, and you can always schedule a buyer or seller consultation with me. Please leave a comment, and thank you for watching.